Alright friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel Maru's Tech. In today's video I'm going to show you the fastest APN settings for Jio network India. So guys, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this video to a friend, and if you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open so that we can interact more even after the tutorial. So let us start up our tutorial. Don't forget to like the video. First and foremost, open your phone settings. This will work more so for those subscribers in those Manipa areas, because I got information that there is an internet shutdown in that area. So subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'm going to show you how you can deal with that issue. Let us continue. We're going to use the access point names. Go to your search bar and then search access point names. If you follow my procedures very well, you're going to enjoy. Search access point names, then after go and choose the advanced option, then choose the access point names. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Now go to your plus button, press that plus button, and the APN name you're going to use Jio Mega. That one can't work. We're going to use Jio 4G/5G warp speed. As I'm doing it, it is what I want you to do. The APN, make sure that the caps lock is on and put IMS, and then the proxy unset, the port unset, the username unset, password unset. But I recommend my viewers to put the port as 443, and then after the server, we want to stabilize the internet. Now if you want to stabilize the internet, we're going to do this. We're going to put in https://www.google.com, then okay, and the APN type we're going to use default. Press OK. APN protocol IPv4, streaming protocol IPv4, and then by doing that we have set up your APN settings for Jio. Then after, press the save, then activate it. That is it, and let us meet in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more tutorials like this. I'm Maru's Tech and I sign out.